Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to create a wall art in Canva. So first head over to canva.com/templates and search here in search bar wall. Type in wall art and hit enter. Here we have variety of templates in the wall art category. We have the choice to choose whatever you like here. So after choosing the template that suits your needs and you liked, just click on it. Click on Customize this template. It will be directed to another page where you want to modify your template. You can change the image, size of the image. You can upload another image here, change the text, change the background, the color, etc. So here you have the ability to customize this as you want. And when you finish, just head over to download. Click on button here, share and download, and select the file format you want, PNG or JPG. And that's it guys here. I hope this video helps you. If it is, don't forget to like and subscribe.